Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here in the Fuzzy Biker Garage. I got some cool stuff right here. Got this in the mail just today. Actually, it was yesterday. These are a set of mirrors for my hot rod Himalayan. I figure how to get them open. There we go. They are Doubletake mirrors. I decided, I rode Colorado Mark's Himalayan a while back, and he had these on his bike. And I just had to have them. They work so well. We will get all this out and see what comes in the package. I bought them from Doubletake. They were, I can't remember, $150 maybe? $155. Let me just throw things around here. Okay, so I've got two arms. I've got the connector kits to connect them to the motorcycle. And then I've got the actual mirrors over here. Let's see what we got. Hey, there they are. Look at that little, like they're koozies, drink koozies. Ha ha! That's cool. Doubletake drink koozie. So anyway, that's what they look like. Front and back. A little dust on them. No, that's just texture. Check out the other one. I like it. I like it. It says Doubletake right there. So these have got, I don't know, I think these are plastic here. I think these arms, however, are aluminum. Let's get those apart for y'all. Yeah, these are aluminum. What I liked about Mark's bike, Colorado Mark's bike, was just a lot less vibration. So, you know, it made a lot of difference. Also adjustability, and also on a Royal Enfield Himalayan, you know, it's a rugged bike for rugged terrain. If you hit something with one of these, a tree branch or something, it'll fold, hopefully fold anyways, versus breaking. All right, let's go put these on the motorcycle. Wahoo! Okay, I got this one installed. So there it is. I won't be able to adjust it till we got snow outside, so and it's also dark. But check that out. I'm gonna love that. I left my extenders up here because I like my mirrors as high as possible. They're not adjusted yet. In order to adjust it, you don't need tools anymore. You just loosen this. And, you know, I don't have to have an Allen wrench or a normal spanner. I can just loosen this, make my adjustments, you know, left, right, up, down, anything at all. And it'll work, no more tools. So hand-free adjustment. What came with the kit was, well, I showed you that already. So basically you just take, you know, you put this ball on. Well, let me show you what I got with that. So this ball is one piece from right here to up here. And then there's a sorted hardware for here. For instance, that's a left-hand thread where this is a right-hand thread. So they send you a whole mess of hardware for different bikes, you know, all kinds of stuff like this, a couple lock nuts, these little washer things, spacers here to move it up if you want. You get all kinds of stuff with it, and there are directions. Everything you could possibly need. I found the right stuff right away. Very good. So what do I do with the old mirrors? Well, these are my Royal Enfield touring mirrors that I got earlier that I had on that bike. They're great mirrors. They're very, they have very clear glass. You know, very optically pure, and I love the way they were, but they just didn't work on that bike. So I'm going to put them on my bear. Well, I put them on my bear right there. Anyway, so Doubletake mirrors. I've got the second one on there now, so there's what the look will be like. I think I like that. I think I like that a lot. So when you put them on, just make sure you put these levers forward, at least I did. That way you can easy access them when if you want to make any mirror adjustments. Kind of neat, isn't it? I mean, pretty proud of that. Again, why did I get the Doubletakes? I rode Colorado Mark's Royal Enfield Himalayan. I rode it about 10 miles. And I was just so impressed with his mirrors. But the big thing I really liked about them, one is they didn't vibrate as much. They were adjustable. They were better for off-road use. But they were also long this way. And you know, I ride a lot of 500, 600, 700 mile days. And a lot of mirror is very helpful on a motorcycle that you're on, you know, for that much travel. So I got these mirrors directly from DoubleTakeMirrors.com. I think that's the only place you can buy them. You might be able to get them on Amazon, but I think I looked on Amazon, they're a little more money. And then I got these mirrors from BaxterCycle.com. These are my Royal Enfield touring mirrors. I really like these. Aluminum housings here, you know, very clear glass. Good stuff. If y'all are interested in new or used Royal Enfield Triumph Classic British bike of any type, meat parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, mirrors like those, get yourself over to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, or go to BaxterCycle.com. Tell those fine folks that Fuzzy Biker, that's me, sent you. Now, we got a whole mess of snow out there. I know you can probably can't see it. It's dark out there. Snow plows have been rumbling by all evening. all morning, early morning. It's early morning. Snow's still flying out there. I can see it over the streetlights. If you all got better weather than we do, try to say that 3 times fast. Get out and ride, my friends. Life is good. Wahoo!
Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo!